Okay. All markets have trends. So any market, whether it's currencies, commodities, stocks, or bonds, they either go up or they go down. Seems pretty simple, but this simple idea gets people confused at times. And when people ask, what is the current trend of the market per se, I would usually answer with what I would see in a 1 year chart. After reading Victor Sperandeo's book, I realized that I found a deeper understanding of market trends, and I just want to share with you guys what I have learned. So in the book, he described market trends as the same as what I talked about. It's either going up or going down. He talks about markets that are going up as an upward trend and markets that go down as a downward trend. He is a trader, and he worked in Wall Street during the 1980s and 1990s. So for traders, they usually buy on an uptrend when the market keeps on going up, and they sell in a downtrend when the market keeps on going down. Now, how do you differentiate between an uptrend market and a downtrend market? Sperandeo talked about looking at the low points and the high points. I guess you guys can see that I drew a little chart over here. Now, this is a downtrend market because it has lower lows, lower low points, and lower high points. Yeah, lower high points, lower low points. So you can clearly see that it's going down, and this is a downtrend. An uptrend is just the opposite. It has high points and higher low points. It seems very simple until you get to this part, where in any given market there are three types of trends: the long-term trend, which range from months to years; the intermediate trend, which goes from weeks to months; and the short-term trend, which goes from days to weeks. So it's important to understand these type of trends when you are either trading, speculating, or investing. For long-term investors, all you need to do is just look at the long-term trend of any market, which is like you could pull up a 2-year chart for the S&P or any stock index that you want, and you can clearly see that for an example, the S&P for the past 2 years have been going up. So it's clear to see that the long-term trend of the S&P is in the upward momentum. If we look at the intermediate and short term, we can also see that for the S&P in particular, it's still going upwards. So that's just some very fun facts about market trends for today, and I hope that this video brought you some value. If you guys have any questions, again, feel free to ask. Thank you.